Hello everyone, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Minimal time, minimal effort, minimal ingredients, and minimal skill in the kitchen. Okay, we are talking lazy, we are talking simple, we are talking quick, and we are talking delicious as well. Guys, that tofu, this is restaurant worthy. $20 American, 7 days worth of food. Super simple, super easy, yet they're surprisingly very delicious.
That is pretty much the cheapest and easiest meal prep ever.
I'm not really sure. Please work. Sometimes I can't believe the things I do on my channel. Let's give it a go.
I am all about the easy and lazy vegan recipes.
I have outdone the lazy. Isn't this a nice experience?